And moving on to some other news, a big move on delivery partner safety. Sources say that Union Labour Minister Mansukh Mandaviya's intervention has forced major delivery platforms to rethink fast delivery promises. Several Blinkit, it seems now Blinkit and other platforms will now drop its 10 minutes delivery claim across all branding and platforms. Now, Labour Minister held talks with Blinkit, Zepto, Swiggy and Zomato, warning that aggressive delivery timelines put delivery partners at serious risk on the roads. Now, the minister asked companies to remove time-bound delivery guarantees from the advertisements and from the social media as well. All the companies have assured the government that they will remove the delivery time limit from their brand advertisements and social media.
Many others like him who've been working as gig workers, they've been under tremendous pressure of delivering the goods in 10 minutes. Not only this, there has to be an organized rules and regulations for these workers. That's what they say. And they say that now when the discussion has been done at the ministry level, they see a ray of hope and they see that there will be a day when there will be recognition to them. The time limits will be not there. The deadlines will not be hanging on them. And they will be considered as an important part of the economy because the quick commerce platforms have been contributing in a big manner. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Prem Chand for India Today from New Delhi.
बिल्कुल हल निकलेगा, हमारी बातें ऊपर तक जा रही है और हमें खुशी भी हो रही है कि हमारी बातें सुनी जा रही है और संसद में हमारे मुद्दे उठाए जा रही है। बहुत बड़ी खुशी की बात है, हमारी बातें सरकार सुन रही है, लेकिन हमारी बातें कंपनी वाले नहीं सुन पा रहे हैं। उनको भी सुननी चाहिए क्योंकि हम उनके भी एक पार्ट है, एक अंग है, उनके लिए दिन रात हम मेहनत कर रहे हैं, तभी वो कंपनी खड़ी है।
हमारे पर टाइम का प्रेशर नहीं होता, पर कस्टमर के फोन में वो रिमाइंड होता है। और दूसरा चीज क्या है कि उसके पास हमारा लोकेशन रहता है कि हम कहाँ हैं, कहाँ पहुंचे हैं, नहीं पहुंचे हैं। हम रॉन्ग साइड चलना नहीं चाहते, पर हमें रॉन्ग साइड चलना पड़ता है क्योंकि हमें टारगेट्स पूरे करने होते हैं कि 40 ऑर्डर मारे, 30 ऑर्डर मारे, ताकि हमारे दिन के जो ऑफर्स हैं वो लग सके, ताकि हम अपना दिन का जो डेली का वो है 1000 से 1500 कर सके। और धीरे धीरे ये पहले से तो बहुत क्लियर हुए हैं, थोड़ा और क्लियर इनको करना चाहिए।
क्विक कॉमर्स के जरिए 10 मिनट की डिलीवरी पर रोक लगाने के लिए मैं प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का और केंद्र सरकार का बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूं और धन्यवाद करता हूं। सरकार के इस फैसले से जो डिलीवरी करने वाले लोग हैं उनको मानसिक और शारीरिक प्रताड़ना से जो भुगतना पड़ रहा था उससे उन्हें निजात मिलेगी। 26 अक्टूबर 2025 को हमने एक बार फिर केंद्र सरकार से आग्रह किया और ये अत्यंत प्रसन्नता की बात है कि केंद्र सरकार ने हमारी बात को माना और ये निर्णय बहुत दूरगामी होगा।
And joining us live now is India Today's Shivani Sharma. Shivani, you spoke to the delivery partners over there. What is the general sense that you see now?
See, the delivery partners, they have a sense of relief that at least now their problems, their challenges are being talked about, not only when it started in the parliament, but now after the government intervenes, there are assurances that are coming in from the Blinkit and other e-commerce platforms that the 10-minute deadline will be withdrawn because it gives a lot of pressure and it's impractical, Suresha, because these delivery partners, they undergo a lot of pressure, not only mental pressure, but there are questions being raised by the customers as soon as the 10-minute delivery deadline crosses, and there are problems on the way when they are coming to deliver. The 10-minute delivery is certainly impractical. So when the government has intervened, when the minister has intervened and he's told the companies to withdraw this 10-minute deadline limit, so there is a lot of sense of relief and hope among these partners who say that this will be good for them and this will give them a better working condition.
Right. Thank you very much, Shivani, for all those details.